a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hurela Hair. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing, if I'm not mistaken, they did send me this unit in 26 inches. That was the length that I asked for. Now, they haven't sent me the information yet, but I'm assuming they sent me the length that I asked for, and the length that I asked for was 26 inches. Okay, so this unit, it says Hurela Auburn Brown Hair Color Wig, Loose Wave, 13x4, lace frontal wig with baby hair, 180% density. So this unit does apparently only come in 180% density, and it does feel like 180, so I want to throw that out there so you guys will know. It says, as far as the title, it says Hurela Auburn Brown Hair Color Wig, Loose Wave, 13x4. The lengths that are available is 14 to 28 inches. And all of those numbers are even numbers. And as I stated, I hope I stated because I done filmed this part a few times, but I'll say it again, okay, for the people in the back. The length that I have is 26 inches. And as far as the description of this unit, it says hair type Brazilian hair, Malaysian hair, Peruvian hair. Now, I'm not sure what type of hair they sent me. I'm going to go ahead and assume that they sent me Brazilian because that is usually the hair type that I receive. It does say the color is F430, and yeah, I can get with that. I can get with the F4 in the 30s. Okay. The density is 180. It is a frontal, and as I stated, it's a 13x4 frontal. Okay, meaning that it goes 13 inches across and 4 inches back. And as they stated, it is a loose wave unit, and it does come in an average cap size. So I'm assuming, okay, honey, I am just gonna assume, you know what they say when you assume, but I'm gonna go ahead and assume anyways, honey, that this unit does only come in an average cap size. I do wear an average cap size. In my opinion, their average cap size is big head friendly. I do have a little fro under here, honey, okay? When I press my hair down, you can probably tell, okay? So there's a little fro under here, and I did still have to adjust the straps. And when I have to adjust the straps, then I'll automatically assume that a unit is more big head friendly than not. Now, that is purely an assumption because I do wear an average cap size, honey. I can only speak for the average cap size girls, okay? But I'm assuming that it is definitely an average cap size unit. That is purely speculation. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I personally have not experienced any shedding or tangling with this wig so far. That doesn't mean she won't do any other things at some point. That just means so far I have not experienced any other things, okay? This is straight out of the packaging. This is first impression, but straight out of the packaging, I have not received any other things. And they did not mention that this wig was pre-tweezed, but oh girl, definitely was pre-tweezed in my opinion. Now I know, honey, okay, my baby hairs are super extra today, okay girl, she's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, okay, and I wanted them to be that way. I just felt a little extra today, okay? However I feel, that's what I do, okay? So sometimes a unit gives me extra and I want the extraness, okay? So that's what I did. You don't have to do that. You don't even have to utilize the baby hairs whatsoever if you do not want to, but they do come with baby hairs. Now granted, I did cut the baby hairs and all of that good stuff, but you can customize or not do anything with your unit as you see fit, okay? Just because I'm on here like with the ghetto baby hairs doesn't mean you have to do them, okay? That is purely a choice, like do with that what you want to, girl, okay? Do with that what you want to, but yeah, it does come pre-tweezed and it does come with baby hairs. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. Okay, I had another unit that was very similar to this one, so obviously I was just feeling this color. This color gives me fall vibes. I got on my fall blazer, honey. I am just feeling all types of fallish, okay? Tomorrow I plan to go to the park where the leaves and stuff is nice and do fall pictures, okay, with this unit because it just gives me all of the fall vibes. I love this unit. I love the colors. I love the blend. I love everything about it. So far, Hurela is a relatively new company that I've been working with, and honey, they have not disappointed. They come through with the come through every single time. So shout out to you, boo. I truly, truly do appreciate appreciated. So yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're looking for some darker colors. Sometimes people don't get it when I'm talking about fall colors, and they're like, girl, what you mean? And maybe it's just me because I'm a little on the anal side, okay? I have been definitely stepping out of my little anal zone and have been wearing more blondes in the fall and, you know, just stepping out of the status quo. But I am still me. So I love a good fall feel unit, and this unit just feels fall. Auburn hair just gives me fall vibes, girl. So yeah, I am feeling it. I love everything about this wig. I even love my extra ghetto baby hairs. I think I do until I take pictures and edit, and I'm like, girl, what was you thinking? But right now, looking in the mirror, I like the ghetto-ness, okay? I like the ghetto-ness. So yeah, but yeah, I love everything about this wig. I feel like so far Hurela has not disappointed me whatsoever. Every single unit has come through with the come through, and just shout out to you, boo, okay? Just shout out to you. So yeah, I am really feeling it. I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. I love that it came curled. It is a loose wave wig, meaning when you wash it, it's not probably going to be as curly as it came. It's going to be more of a loose wave sort of texture, which is still relatively curly. But yeah, I'm feeling it. So let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a vibe. Let me know down below in the comments. I am definitely interested in hearing you guys' thoughts. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, girl, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a vibe. If it's not a vibe, let me know down below in the comments. I am really interested in hearing you guys' opinion. And yeah, once again, shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in copying this unit, I will have a direct link to this unit down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Heltimissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.